What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Tomorrow we're going to be riding these beauties. Got a 250F here, 480X. Payton's over there, we're going to be doing some jumps, wheelies, riding around on the roads, just doing stuff like that. Hope you guys enjoy, see you guys tomorrow. Doing a little pre-ride maintenance here. Show you guys the right way to do the chain on the quad. Gotta get right in between right here. Be nice and safe when you get off the chain. Start spraying her on there. Do a little bit on the outside here. But we're not done yet. We're gonna take a little paper towel, clean it up so it's not attracting dirt and stuff. And there you have it. The right way to oil your chain. Alright, what's up guys? It is tomorrow. We're going to be jumping these things, doing wheelies, stuff like that, riding around on the roads. So we're going to get these things pulled out, get them warmed up, get geared up. Stay tuned. Oh yeah, Big Mike. We got Payton lining up for the jump. It'll be a little bit smoother. Need to get his front end down a little bit, but we'll run it again. Oh yeah. You good? Yo! Hey, Payton, you good? Yo!